I, William Samoei Ruto, on behalf of Kenya Kwanza Alliance, do hereby commit to actualize the two-third gender principle and to put in place mechanisms within the first 3 months of the Kenya Alliance government and ensure that this two-third gender principle is actualized immediately the mechanism is in place, and that it doesn't have to wait until the next general election. On leadership again, I commit on behalf of Kenya Kwanza Alliance that we shall allocate 50% of all cabinet positions to the women of Kenya. Additionally, I commit that we will ensure that the Public Service Commission, in all its recruitment, and all government agencies, commissions, parastatals, and other government agencies shall strictly observe the two-third gender rule. Economic empowerment. I, William Samoei Ruto, on behalf of Kenya Kwanza Alliance, do hereby commit that 50% of the 50 billion Hustler Fund shall be ring-fenced towards women-owned enterprises. I also commit to actualize access to government procurement opportunities by ensuring that women-owned enterprises will automatically qualify for the LPO financing through the Hustler Fund without any other conditions.
Situpige makofi kina mama.